In this video, I'm going to be telling you how many streams you need on Spotify to make $1. Okay, so Spotify typically pays $0.004 per stream. So if you calculate that, you'll need around 250 streams in order to make $1 on Spotify. Sometimes it's going to pay a little bit more, sometimes it's going to pay a little bit less. And I can confirm this with an article on Google. It says you need to get 250 streams on Spotify in order to make $1. That means for every 250 streams you get on Spotify, you can get a McDonald's coffee or whatever, $1 per stream. If you scroll down, you can read various articles on the topic. This is a pretty good one right here by Free Your Music. If you want to read this article, I'll leave it linked up in the description down below, where you can read how much everything pays on Spotify. So typically around 250 streams on average to earn $1. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.